Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Ready Set Drone, and it's a rainy day here in Austin. I am at my office by myself, and I am getting ready for First Friday, which is going to be tonight. But I wanted to remind everyone about a contest that I'm having for the Ready Set Drone song. And what I'm doing is basically asking people to remix the Ready Set Drone song and then send it to me. Now, people have done that, a few people, 3, and sent it to me. And I've got the final contestants. Those 3 who actually sent me songs are all set up and on YouTube. And the winner of the best song, as voted by you, the audience, is going to win a Mavic Air 2. So it's a big deal to win that Mavic Air 2. So basically these guys have a 1 in 3 shot because there's only 3 contestants. What I'm asking you to do is go to the links below. I've got 3 links. They're all unlisted videos on YouTube, but they're public but unlisted. You go there, and if you like the song, give it a thumbs up. I'm only going to count the thumbs up. I'm not going to count comments, and I'm not going to count thumbs downs, only the thumbs up. So if you like the song, give it a thumbs up, and I will count the number of thumbs ups that are given to each one at the end of the contest and announce it during SpinUp on September 12th, announce who the winner is, and give them the Mavic Air 2. So again, 3 links in the description below. Go to each one, give them each a listen. They're all 3 different unique styles of the song. I didn't want to say who the authors of the song were because I wanted it to be a fair contest and not a popularity contest, more of just which song you like best. So pick the one you like best, give it a thumbs up. If you like all 3, give them all 3 a thumbs up, and the one with the most thumbs up come SpinUp September 12th will be the winner. If you have questions, you can email me, contest@ReadySetDrone, and I can answer them for you. But otherwise, I look forward to seeing the people count and give the likes so that we can figure out which one is the best and which one I should use for my remix of the song and putting together a new video. Thanks a lot. You're watching Ready Set Drone. We'll see you next time.